ChemoGLO has been in business for over 10 years, and in that time, we've grown to be the world's largest provider of hazardous drug surface wipe testing. We've done over 14,000 different studies here in the US and abroad, and have collected a large amount of data which allows us to see where contamination occurs and how often it occurs, and what are risk factors for different hospitals and pharmacies. When we recognized through our data analysis and research early on that this problem of contamination in hospital pharmacies and infusion areas was so widespread and extensive, we realized that we really needed to develop some products to address this risk. And so we came up with the ChemoGLO Wipe Kit, which can test for a wide variety of drugs and allows you to identify exactly where contamination is happening. And then we also have our cleaning product, Hazardous Drug Clean, HD Clean, which will remove, decontaminate, and deactivate any hazardous drug residue that is left on the surface, so you and your staff can be assured that you're coming into a safe workplace each and every day. For me, ChemoGLO represents a way to make sure that my family members who are involved in the healthcare profession are as safe as they can possibly be. I have a sister who is a nurse. I have a brother-in-law who is also a nurse. My husband is a pharmacist, and they are around these agents every day, and they go in to their job every day with the intent of taking care of the people that need help. And it is our job on the other end to make sure that they are in turn taken care of in terms of their workplace safety and providing them the best and cleanest environment that they can possibly be in to do these very heroic jobs. When you work with ChemoGLO, we may be a small company, but we are entirely focused on the customer experience. We are able to customize every testing plan to fit your budget, to fit your timing, to fit whatever specific needs you have, whether you're a hospital system with 40 different hospitals and hundreds of pharmacies, or a small outlying pharmacy on your own. We are here to make sure that you can provide the safest environment for your employees.